Hello guys, how are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. It is very important. Please like the video, share and comment. Yes guys, I have a things to share with us. Video that I made previously about Simon Ekpa, I received a notification from YT that it has to be deleted. They're gonna remove it because it goes against their community standard, which I don't know why they choose to do that. But why I'm making this video is to share my my feelings and understanding so far, what people that are fighting for agitations are going through, especially Simon Ekpa and the Mazin Amodekan, who happen to be the face of the agitation at the moment. Although some people have come and gone, people that fought for agitation, people that are preach the gospels before, they are no more here. It's only Namodekan and Simon Ekpa is what we know at the moment. But I noticed that they are going a lot. They are going a lot. Before now, Samuel has a platform that has a huge number of followers. All of a sudden, it disappeared. So it could be this kind of thing that I went through now is what happened, what led to his platform to be, tampered with. I find out that most of our people are not even, doing the needful. People that are they are fighting for, people that are doing all those things, facing those challenges, for they are not really helping matters, especially the celebrities from southeast. And when I say southeast, I mean the Igbos, people that are supposed to be celebrities, have huge number of followers. They are not using their platform to do the needful. Instead, they are doing things that are not even interesting at all. So we need to, join hands together and do the needful to support those that are in front line of this, those that are fighting for our freedom, those that are preaching, what the injustice being meted on the Igbo people, and they are going through a lot, but some of us are not doing the needful at all. Most of us have seen the news about Mohbad, the guy from western part of Nigerian Yorubas, who is a singer. I think he's Afrobeat singer or something like that, who's faced some injustice. His sudden death is what broke most of people heart. Everybody heart, not most. It broke our hearts. When the news came out, everybody was shattered. We are like, what's going on? Nobody is happy to hear the news. He's a 26 years old guy. He's a singer. Although a lot of information about his sudden death is flying out there. Some people say that it's from record level. The guy that helping him and all that is behind his death. But nobody knows the actual issue, the real issue, because I think the investigation is still going on. Why I'm saying this is that most of the Igbo celebrities are using their platform to, preach against his death, calling for justice to be given to him, and call for justice, to deliver him from whatever he is doing and whatever happened to him and all that. So his death is very, very sad. Everybody is talking about it. Nobody is happy with it. But I'm not against those that are using their platform to talk about it. I'm not against it at all. But why I'm doing this video is that if you are from eastern part of Nigeria, if you're an Igbo guy and you're Igbo woman and you're a celebrity, you can use your platform to do these videos, to call for justice. Why don't you try your best also to use your platform to call for justice for Mazin Amodekan, who is in DSS dungeon, facing all manner of inhuman treatment from DSS. The court of Nigeria have released him, but they refuse to let him go. And when it comes to Amodekan, you turn your blind eyes. You turn blind eyes. You don't want to talk about it. To you, it's a crime to talk about it. It's a crime to call for his release. But you can use your platform to talk about other things. Random trending videos that are happening around. You can use your platform to talk about it. When it comes to the person who is fighting for your own freedom, you don't want to talk about it. If Amodekan is not fighting for your freedom, who will? And maybe you are living fine today, you don't know what will happen to your own children tomorrow. So the freedom that we are talking about is for your own yourself, your children, and your children, your generation. So if you can use your platform to talk about other things, when something happened in the north, you talk about it. It happened in the east, you don't want to talk about it. It happened in the west, you talked about it. These are not things that we Igbo people are known for. It's not what Igbo people are known for. I don't know what is wrong with our generation. A lot of hypocrites, a lot of saboteurs are out there. If you don't want to, if you don't have the strength to fight for the freedom, those that have the strength, you are using your strength to fight against those who is doing the needful. Then what are you? What do you think you call yourself when you are doing like that? Like I said, I'm not against calling for justice for Mohbad. I'm not. It's good. It's good. But please, can you use your platform to do it also for other people that are being facing injustice in Nigeria? Remember what happened in NSAS? Who was leading the protest and all that? It's Igbo guys. When it comes to Chibok girls, an Igbo woman was there doing the same thing. But when Biafrans are being, harassed, arrested, and by them, none of them will come out to talk about them. They will just turn their blind eyes. They will turn blind eyes and never say anything. But if anything happens in another place, they will be the one to lead the protest. What a shame. What a shame. I just want to share this video because it's really sad to see some Igbo, like you are seeing here. Look at this post that you are seeing in the screen now. These are Igbo celebrities. Their platform on Facebook, Twitter, and other places. They are using it now, calling for justice for Mohbad and all that, which is good. Like I said, they are not against it. But you will see picture of Martin Amodikan even once. As if you post picture of Amodikan, you get arrested, you'll be detained, or you'll be killed and all that. Why must it be so? You see protest. This is protest going on in Enugu, protest going on in Abia, a different part of Igbo land. Those ones that happen in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in Lagos, 50 or 60% of them are Igbos. But just mention of Masin Amodekano or Biafran youth or Igbo youth in prison, not in abroad, in Nigeria, everybody will run away. Nobody want to talk about it. Not only these people that we are seeing here are the only people that posted. A lot of Igbo celebrities are doing the same thing. I just show you a few. And this is not the only issue. It's some issue that concern Igbo people. They don't talk about it. They only say anything that is not Igbo in their platform. Things that are not, helping Igbo people. Once you want to criticize Igbo man or Igbo woman to talk bad about Igbo people, they will open their platform for you. You go there and do whatever you want to do. Like somebody like Dr. Damages. Damages is Igbo man. Many people don't know that he's an Igbo man. He's an Igbo man. You go to his platform, you see how other people from different tribes in Nigeria, people that cannot hide their heads, they will use his platform to bash on Igbo people. If you want to talk bad about Nnamdi or make mockery of Simon Ekpa or anybody that fighting for Igbos or fighting for Biafrans in general, they open their platform for you to criticize. When it comes to glorifying Yoruba people or Hausa people or Fulani, their platform is there. Is best for you to go. You just go there and do that. But once you want to talk bad about Igbos, they welcome you. If you want to talk good about Igbo people, they will shut you down. Somebody like Ijele Speak. I don't know his real name. I'm seeing his post and his comment and some of his videos where he is, centralizing his conversation on Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. People from other parts of Nigeria, once you want to talk bad about their tribe, they will rise against you. But Igbo people, they will be clapping for you, telling you how to fight more. Go on and fight, though nothing will happen. That is not good at all. Not good at all. And that is why some people don't know the anger of the youth. some of the youths that you are seeing today that are supporting Biafrans, especially those in Biafran Liberation Army, or ESN and all that, you don't mess around with them because they have seen your evil act. They have seen your hypocrite. They have seen your sabo behavior and all that. They have seen it all. So they know when you are talking, they already know where you are coming from. They know your type. They have seen your type. The number of Igbo youth in Nigerian prison today, oh my goodness, is uncountable. Nobody is talking for them. Nobody. Like I said, I'm not against Yoruba people. I'm not against Hausa or any part of. No, I'm not against them. My concern is, as you are preaching justice, please, can you preach justice for all? Justice for Masina Modekano dying in prison. Justice for Igbo people, Igbo youth being occupied by Nigeria, for everybody. Not for only one tribe, not for only one person. Please, it is very, very important. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please like and share and comment so that YT will know that people that watch the videos are real. They are not robots. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.